Good morning. I am continuing my garden tour into my vegetable garden today on May the 4th. And the focus of my spring efforts this year have been on my vegetable garden. I've shared the creation of these Vego garden beds. These are the Titan tomato cages, the tall and the regular size from Gardener's Supply. And I have a couple of Oyas from Grow Oya here in the garden. It has taken a significant amount of effort. I paid someone to come level the space so I could put these garden beds down so that the water didn't run down the hill. And then I put in the pavers below the elevated garden bed, and I have some pink thyme planted between the stones, and I plan to put more pink thyme here in front so they'll get the runoff from the garden bed above when it runs the drip. When I purchased the first bed last year, I also got this little tool caddy, so I keep gloves and pruners and stuff in here so it's easy access. I also purchased 2 lights, or a light pack. These are little solar lights and they work amazing. I'm happy with them. I'm going to take you through all the plants that I've put in my garden, and we will see what makes it and how insane it looks in a couple of months. I have all kinds of stuff planted in here. I went a little crazy between my seeds and buying things at the garden center. I have a broadleaf sage, a lady lavender. For these two, they don't want a lot of water, so I made sure not to have water directly to them. I planted tons of Spanish sweet onions throughout the space. I have no idea if this is going to work out. This is a total experiment. I have some seascape strawberries that I saw Laura from Garden Answer, who I refer to fondly as Garden Girl, planted. She said these were her favorite and super sweet. We've already gotten a couple and they are delicious. I started some Thai basil from seed. This is my wintered over Jimmy Nardello. I have no idea. I lost track of which one was which, as far as which plant was the one that seemed like it was Jimmy Nardello and which one didn't seem to be one. So we'll see what happens there. I just seeded the Hearts of Gold melon. I have some marigolds in here, Italian parsley, again, onions, another melon here, so they'll have grow up and down this little trellis here. In the back bed are a few of the foxglove that I started from seed. I have also started from seed some cilantro. This is the seed, the patio tomatoes. It's a determinate cherry tomato that doesn't get very big. Onions. This is a red bell pepper. This is the sweetie pole tomato. The Black Beauty zucchini I started from seed. Again, more onions everywhere. And some oregano. I also started some Yukon Gold potatoes. We'll see how that goes. This is a new thing for me. I transplanted some California poppies. I have a thyme plant here, yellow straight neck squash, Genovese basil, onions of course. This is the sun gold tomato, underplanted with strawberries and onions and more Thai basil, more onions, more poppies, and more foxglove. Behind that, I have some alyssum I transplanted, a new yellow bell pepper because my overwintered bell pepper didn't survive. Got another strawberry, marigolds. Here I planted some Armenian cucumber, onions on this side. I got dill on this side, more strawberries, more yellow straight neck, green chives, fennel. In the bed over here, more strawberries, a shishito pepper, excited about that, Genovese basil, onions, sun sugar tomato, and I started clipping it in place. Another zucchini. This is a chamomile plant, and I've decided it gets too big for this space and I need to move it. The last plant I have to get in the ground is a spearmint, but what do you know? Something's been munching on the mint. Well, that's interesting. I wonder who likes the mint. That does it for my vegetable garden, and in the new redesigned format. There was so much space that I did go a little crazy. I also planted from seed some bush beans and a couple pole beans around here, so we'll see if that works. So this may be an absolute mess in a month. We will see. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.